Good afternoon, friends. I sure do miss you, and I hope you're doing well. I miss your hugs and your high fives and your smiles and your faces, and I miss saying your names. So I say hello to Annie and to Paris and to Jaden and to Ivan and to Jonathan and to Weston and to Caleb. I hope you guys are doing well. So this week's assignment, you are going to click on where it says Into the Dark Water. And you click on that and it will take you to a PDF file of a nonfiction article called Into the Dark, which is about the Titanic. Remember, nonfiction articles have subheadings. Like here's a subheading here, unsinkable. Everything above that subheading, because we don't have a subheading to start, is the introduction. So you're going to read the introduction, and then you can come back over to your Google Slides, and you're going to write a blurb about the introduction. So if you keep your Google Slides in not in present mode, but in regular mode, where you can see the slides on the side, you get to see these instructions here. If it's in present mode, you don't see these instructions. But basically, you're just going to be flipping back and forth between the Google Slides and the article. You'll read unsinkable, and be sure and take a moment and look at the pictures and read the caption of the pictures. And so you'll read unsinkable, which goes all the way to here, and then you can go back over and write your summary of unsinkable here. You can also write a mental image of what that section creates for you. In other words, the picture that you got in your mind as you were reading it. Any questions that came to mind while you were reading. And if you come across any new vocabulary, you can do that too. And you'll go back to the article and read Lost in the Crowd. You can flip back, or you can read the entire article. And then the last subheading is a wailing chant. And you'll see on the fourth slide a wailing chant. So you'll write a summary of each section: the introduction, unsinkable, lost in the crowd, and a wailing chant. Then on the last page of the Google Slides, you'll click here for a quiz over the passage Into the Dark Water. And I left you a note here that says, please have the passage open in another tab so you can look in it to find the answers. The quiz is open so you can take it multiple times, but try your best when you take it the first time, of course. And again, you'll have the article open in the other tab. You'll be able to look back into the article to help you find your answers. And as with any quiz that we take, if there's a word that you don't know what it means, you can look it up, right, in a dictionary, or you can even open another tab and type in the word and find the definition. So that's what we have for this week. I think that I'm going to join into Mrs. Connolly's Zoom on Monday afternoons, and I will post that information so that maybe I get to see some faces of yours. You can always email me with any questions, and gosh, I sure hope that you're all doing well. I miss you. Thanks. Bye.